For years, it lay hidden beneath the waves, unseen, forgotten, and waiting.
An AH-64 Apache helicopter found, lost during a routine mission decades ago.
Today, we follow its journey from ocean floor to restoration.
A story of engineering, history, and discovery.
What caused it to disappear? And how was it found?
Let's uncover the story of the lost Apache. The AH-64 Apache was designed for the impossible.
Twin engines, advanced sensors, and armored protection made it legendary. Yet, even the strongest machines can face the unexpected. During a routine mission, a failure forced the crew to abandon it. The crew survived, but the machine remained lost until now. Years later, sonar scans detected something unusual on the seabed.
A team of engineers and divers prepared to investigate.
A remotely operated vehicle descended to the depths. Slowly, the shape of the Apache became visible.
Rotor blades, cockpit, and fuselage frozen in time.
Careful plans were made for salvage.
Lift balloons and cables were attached inch by inch.
The crane slowly lifted the Apache towards the surface.
Finally, sunlight touched the fuselage for the first time in decades.
Once on the surface, the Apache was secured onto a transport barge.
Every bolt, every rotor, documented before moving. The journey to the restoration facility began, slow and careful. Special cranes lifted the Apache onto dry land for detailed inspection.
Engineers photographed and scanned every component. Each section was cleaned, labeled, and stored safely for restoration. The restoration team focused on preservation rather than replacement.
Every rotor blade, panel, and sensor told a story of the machine's past.
Technicians used non-invasive techniques to stabilize metal.
Advanced scanners measured stress points, ensuring the structure remained intact.
The alignment on image 42 looks good.
Yes, but let's double check the main shaft tolerance.
Paint and markings were preserved where possible, showing the helicopter's original mission history.
The team reassembled critical components carefully, maintaining historical authenticity. The team reassembled critical components carefully, maintaining historical authenticity. Months of careful restoration revealed a machine frozen in time, yet alive with history.
The Apache is no longer a weapon. It is a testament to engineering and resilience.
It reminds us how machines can tell stories of human skill and teamwork.
From ocean floor to workshop, every step preserves history.
Look at the tolerances on the engine mounts.
It's incredible. The schematic here shows the new alloy composition.
Every rivet, rotor, and panel tells a story of innovation and dedication.
It shows how even a lost machine can rise again, carrying lessons from the past.
Look at the detail on the rotor blades. They're perfect.
It's incredible to see it up close like this.
Not a weapon, but a teacher of history, technology, and human perseverance. From the sky to the ocean and back again.
It reminds us that history is never truly lost.
Even when machines sink beneath the waves, their stories can rise again.
The AH-64 Apache stands as a symbol of resilience and the enduring power of history.